Have you ever heard people say, the bathroom drains your wealth? Not exactly, but bathrooms can create feng shui problems that many people completely overlook. In feng shui, bathrooms are connected to water, and water represents movement. The issue isn't bathrooms are bad. The issue is when they're poorly maintained or constantly leaking energy. That's where problems begin. The biggest problem is surprisingly simple: lack of cleanliness. Stains, mold, unpleasant odors, clutter everywhere. When a bathroom feels neglected, it affects how the entire home feels. A clean bathroom supports a clean and refreshed atmosphere. The second issue is leaks. A dripping faucet, a running toilet, a pipe that never gets fixed. Beyond wasting water, leaks create a feeling of ongoing loss. That's why Feng Shui encourages fixing these problems quickly. Small leak, small problem, long-term impact. Another common recommendation is simple. Keep the toilet lid closed when not in use, and avoid leaving the bathroom door open all day. These small habits help keep the space feeling contained and orderly. Want a quick improvement? Clean the space. Fix leaks. Improve the lighting. Remove unnecessary clutter. That's where I'd start. Good bathroom feng shui isn't about fear. It's about maintenance. A well-cared-for bathroom supports a well-cared-for home. But there's one feng shui rule that affects every room in your house: light, air, and open space. That's what we'll explore next.